Crafty Angels, Vanessa here for Angel Rose Design on here on YouTube. And I'm doing this a little late today, but it's okay. I'm doing the 100 days of grace and gratitude. And this is a devotion, your weekly devotional. And it is day 29. New mercies every morning. Imagine lying in bed at night, wrapped up in your sheets and replaying the day in your mind. All the things that you wish you'd done or said differently, or maybe your soul is downcast because of an overwhelming problem. You may even wish you could hit replay and start all over. Well, you can. With each new dawn, God's love and mercies are there waiting for you to soak them up in and start anew. Yesterday and its regrets are over, and His faithfulness and love is still burning strong with each new morning. And the prayer here is, Father, I am thankful and relieved that because you love me so much, your new mercies around in my life every day. I want to thank you all for being here. Please be blessed, be kind, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video. For your next weekly devotional will be next Wednesday. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment down below in the description box. And hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I do a premiere, or when I upload new content. Bye-bye for now.